Yeah, just go ahead and put them up on the cupboard. Thanks. Analytics. So on top of trying to figure out search optimization and an upload schedule that allows you to have a normal and fruitful life, there's YouTube's onslaught of page after page of valuable analytic data. I mean, it is, but it's super confusing. Hi, I'm Billy Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. I come from an era of YouTube where analytics did not exist. And I'm not saying it wasn't as robust or accurate as it is now. I mean, there was no data. You had to fly your channel blind and by feel. Upload something? Did it do well? Did you replicate it and it also did well? Did you do something different and your views went down? You had to keep track of all of that in your head. Truth be told, I still kind of do it like that. Every once in a while, I'll upload a video to my channel and not promote it at all, to get like a real-time temperature read of how many of my subscribers are actually watching. Check my videos. Every once in a while, you're gonna see a very low viewed video. Guess what? That's my spot check. Small channels, unfortunately, don't have a big enough data set to really get any useful information from channel analytics. Oh, 4 people watched my video? 2 of them watched all the way through and 2 of them only watched half? Okay, so what do I do? Nothing! Do you? That's not enough data to make any informed decision. And even if it was, okay, what do you do now? I try my hardest to dive in and try to make sense of all the graphs, but what? I get distracted. In short, if you have a small channel, don't stress out about analytics because there really isn't enough data to really gauge your audience. It's fun to look at and good to be informed, but just have fun with your videos. Forget about trying to manufacture them. Roll the thing.